I'm Lucas with Bound Insurance, specialize in the personal line side of the business. I was going to talk to you about auto insurance today. When we get new customers coming to the office, the first thing we kind of go over is what kind of coverage do you need? What kind of coverage do you have on your current policy? And a lot of the times I get an answer that is, well, I need full coverage. Really all you have to have is liability with comprehensive and collision, and it's considered full coverage. Reason it gets this name is because when you're financing your vehicle, the bank's going to worry about having comprehensive and collision because this fully covers the damage to the vehicle. You might not have uninsured motorist or personal injury protection, not even roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. So do you really know what your policy covers? Do you have the uninsured motorist that we were talking about earlier? That's say if you get hit by a car and it's their fault. Ideally, their insurance would pay it. But if they don't have it or they just flee the scene, then it's up to your policy. Personal injury protection covers you and your passengers. It doesn't matter who's at fault. There might not even be another vehicle involved. If you run off the road and injure yourself or maybe just your passenger, it will cover up to $2,500 as a minimum. But most policies will let you extend that up to $5,000 or even $10,000. With your basic full coverage policy, you may not have rental reimbursement. And what this is say if you get in an accident or your car has to go in the shop from a hailstorm or something like that, they get you into a rental car, which you might not think is a big deal, but if you're without your vehicle for weeks on end, it can get expensive. A rental car, usually the coverage is at least $30 a day, up to $900. So just think if that was on you, if you had to put out that extra $30 a day while your car is sitting through the shop, and that's after you have to worry about deductibles and things like that. Well, roadside assistance or towing and labor, there's two different ways that insurance companies cover it. One is almost like your AAA service where you get your pop-a-lock and they bring fuel to you if you break down or tow you to the nearest station. The other is you call a tow company and get those kind of services and then they reimburse you. Either way, it's getting you where you need to go or getting you back on the road. That way you're not stranded with your family in the car or something like that. Before you get any policy set up, or even if you do have a current policy, be sure and discuss what coverages you have. It's better to know now and get exactly what you need than be stranded or get in an accident and find out you're not covered for it.